Do you have important ideas to share, but struggle to get your audience's attention and buy-in? Perhaps you're planning for the future, articulating a value proposition, or explaining a new process to colleagues or clients. You need to tell a story, or at least a better story, one that will break through the noise and make them care. This is what we do at Tremendousness. We enable positive change by partnering with our clients to co-create powerful visual stories that make complex ideas understandable and engaging. We can help you do this too. Our hands-on visual storytelling workshops teach a 5-step method for creating effective visual stories. You and your team will learn how to empathize with your audience, use visual frameworks to cut through complexity, and create visuals and narratives that make your story memorable and shareable. Learn to transform your ideas into powerful stories with our new workshop, Visual Storytelling for Business.